Hello friends, welcome to Pharmaplexus. This is Anand. We are going to talk about biotechnology. So let's get started. Biotechnology. Bio means living and technology means the different techniques. That means ki the use of living organisms and the latest techniques to develop a modified product. That is known as biotechnology. That means application of technology using living organisms in order to obtain useful products. That is the biotechnology. Now this biotechnology term, it was given by Hungarian engineer. The name of that engineer was Karl Erke. And this term was given in the 1917. Now we are talking about applications of biotechnology. First point is medicine. Second one, cloning. Third one, agriculture. And the last one is biological engineering. Now let's discuss. In this medicine field, the number first point is the production of the drug. That means ki the biotechnology is used in the production of different type of drugs. In this section, we use genetically modified organisms or genetically modified microbes for the production of different drugs. For example, we have microbes like Escherichia coli, yeast. Escherichia coli is used in the production of insulin or antibiotic. Next point is pharmacogenomics. Pharmaco means drug and genomics. Genomics means genes. That means ki the study of different genes of the human being to modify the drugs so that the drugs could affect the body. Next point is gene therapy. And the last point is genetic testing. So in applications we have points medicine, cloning, agriculture and biological engineering. We are discussing medicine. In medicine we have see that the drug production, that means ki biotechnology is used in the production of different drugs. The second one is pharmacogenomics, third one is gene therapy, and fourth one genetic testing. This is used in the treatment of genetic and acquired disease. for example cancer, disease, AIDS. Genetic testing involved in the examination of DNA. For example, in case of determining sex in the newborn baby, newborn screening, and forensic testing. Now let's move to the next point, that is cloning. In this cloning method, we have a cell and this is a nucleus. This is unfertilized egg. In this cloning method, this nucleus is transferred from cell to unfertilized egg. First, this nucleus is extracted out, that means separate out from the cell. Okay, then this nucleus is transferred into the unfertilized egg. For all this process, first the unfertilized egg have a nucleus which is removed out. Okay, after this all this process is carried out. Next application we discuss, that is agriculture. In agriculture, we have first point, that is crop yield. One or two genes are transferred into the crop in order to get higher, very good quality or enhanced growth. So in agriculture, to increase the enhanced growth and to get the quality product, crop yield method is used. Next one is to increase nutritional qualities. That means by this system we can increase the nutritional value of the food. This biological engineering involves the biotechnologies and biological sciences, which includes the different disciplines like biochemical engineering, biomedical engineering, bioprocess, or engineering of the biosystem.